Hi, I'm Johnny Kaplan, and I'm here today for another unboxing video for the Gadget Flow in partnership with the Corey Group. Today's exciting new technology product is this wonderful advanced gaming headset from the people at HP under their Omen brand, and they call this the Mindframe. HP have invented these amazing thermodynamic cups that go inside the headset. They sit on either side of your head, and what they do is they filter out the heat. They cool down on one side and they extract the heat to the outside of the headset, so you're expelling all of this heat while you're playing, and rather than sweating and over-perspiring and getting too under pressure, you're actually very cool, you're able to enjoy your game and keep playing for long periods of time without having that heating sensation. So the first thing we're going to do is unbox this advanced gaming headset, and it comes in a very nice black box here. As you see, it's got the Frost Cap logo on here. I think this is very exclusive to HP. I've never seen this anywhere before. You've got the headset inside here. So we're going to take the safety sticker off first. And we lift this plastic screen. I'll show you what's inside here. So there you go. The first thing that you notice is it's very good quality. I can feel it feels very durable, and actually the fabric here around the ears is very, very soft to touch. I can sure that gets very nice when it starts cooling. But you can see inside the cups here, it has this frost cooling caps. If you look around it, we've got these RGB lighting that it has around the earpiece here, and it's got this adjustable microphone which actually switches on and off as you lift it. So very nice looking design, actually some of my favorite colors here, red and black together, and it's got this sort of spring headband here which makes it very flexible to any head size and very comfortable. So first thing we're going to do is actually put this on and see how it feels. No, David, shoot him, he's on your left. No, oh my gosh, you shot our own team guy. I mean, wow. Let me exit out of the game, guys. Right, so I don't think the headset's actually going to help you to improve your game, but boy, it was immersive. I mean, I've been playing along with several teammates here now, and I really don't feel the weight of this headset. It sits very, very comfortably. So if I lift up this microphone, then I hear a beeping in my ears to tell me the microphone's been shut off and actually they can't hear me any longer. So, you know, if you get a private phone call or you want to talk to somebody in the house, it's very convenient to just sort of lift up this microphone. The microphone's activated again, the beep has come on, and when you lift it up, you get a little red light on here to tell you that also that the audio's been muted. I can really feel this sort of cooling technology in my ears, and if I just take off the headset, I mean, the transference of heat is incredible. The outside of this headset is very, very warm. So that's the transference technology. It extracts the heat from your ears, takes it to the outside, and then cools them with these cooling caps. And as you can see, you've got a volume control here on the bottom. So you can actually immediately turn the volume up and down if it's too loud, too low. And as I said, these cushions are extremely comfortable. When you put the headset on, you almost don't notice it after a while. Very, very conveniently designed, and as I said, very immersive and engaging while I'm inside that game. So here you have it, the Mindframe advanced gaming headset by HP under their Omen brand. And these are actually retailing in local stores and online stores across the world already. And really is the first product that has this cooling technology inside of it. I have never seen anything which has this type of air conditioning feeling inside of it. It's very suited for gamers, as I said, or people listening to music or movies for long periods of time. A very comfortable headset. They'll set you back around $199 at full retail price, and certainly worth the money if you are playing games for long periods of time. You are bothered by this temperature rise and the rise in pressure as you're playing, and you're looking for a product that's going to assist you and help you to be more comfortable, to play with ease, and not to have to take the headset off every so often because you're sort of wiping down your ears and trying to get some air in there. So really is very clever technology and very effective. I felt that firsthand playing the game. And I'm sure it's something that will be picked up very well by gamers across the world. So there you have it.
Jane's running late for the third time this week. By now, I'm sure she's running out of excuses. But why didn't her phone charge? Our friend Max here has no idea where he's going. And he's got a fare to pick up in 5 minutes ago. Should it really take all that wiggling just to get a good connection? Poor Jane. Like you, we hate it when the gadgets we rely on let us down. So we got a bunch of our smart people to do some smart things in a smart lab to get to the bottom of it. The bottom of the iPhone to be exact. And PurePort was the result. It's the unique multi-tool that cleans your iPhones and iPads to keep them connecting flawlessly. They discovered the exposed pins on Apple's stylish Lightning connector were prone to contamination from nasties like hair, oil on your skin, and worst of all, lint. They tested every remedy they could find, but the results were, let's say, less than ideal. So they embarked on a journey to create the ultimate solution. PurePort. Countless prototypes, tireless nights, intense testing, and many refinements later, they combined the best approaches into PurePort's 7 special powers. Tools. The first 4 tools make it easy and safe to remove all types of debris from your Lightning port. Even clearing those hard-to-reach places and repairing any damage to the delicate electrical contacts. The next 2 tools are for your cables and accessories. They not only clean, but revive your faulty cables, reducing oxide damage and restoring connectivity. Lastly, the perfect